Welcome to our deep dive into Flair.ai, the AI-powered design platform that's revolutionizing content creation. In this video, we'll unveil the amazing features Flair.ai offers, explore its pricing options, and discover how it can take your content to the next level. Get ready for an exciting journey through Flair.ai's innovative AI-driven design capabilities. We'll demonstrate how businesses can create visually stunning social media posts, infographics, and email newsletters that truly captivate audiences. 5 steps to transform your content with Flair.ai. Sign up with your email address. Click on Create New Project. Next, we'll show you how to create a new project, enter essential details about your content, and set the stage for Flair.ai to generate customized design templates. Upload your product. We'll demonstrate how to upload the product or image you want to use as the basis for your design. You'll learn about supported image formats and how Flair.ai handles various file types. Select the template. Witness the magic of Flair.ai's AI-generated design templates, and discover how to choose the perfect template for your project. We'll also cover customizing colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your brand identity. Download the image. Finally, we'll walk you through downloading your completed image in various file formats and explain how to save and reuse design templates for future projects. Flair.ai perks to know. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil Flair.ai's most impressive features, including AI-powered design for engaging content. Discover how Flair.ai's AI algorithms analyze user engagement data to suggest the most effective design elements for your content. Simple and affordable pricing. Learn about Flair.ai's straightforward pricing plans, which cater to individuals and businesses of all sizes without breaking the bank. Video Builder for professional-grade videos. Explore Flair.ai's Video Builder tool, which enables you to create stunning videos with ease, even without extensive video production expertise. Free Basic Plan for trying it out. Flair.ai's free basic plan, allowing you to test the platform without any financial commitment. Final thoughts. As we wrap up our in-depth look at Flair.ai, we'll emphasize how this cutting-edge platform can transform your content creation, elevate your brand identity, and set your business apart from the competition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share.